In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step process to creating a domiciliary account, the fastest and the easiest way, starting from the basic requirements, which include all these documents, down to the best bank you can actually use in my country, Nigeria, and also how you can be able to get your dollar faster, because this is the most important thing in creating a domiciliary account. Of course, we all know that domiciliary account is simply a dollar account, and you all know that YouTube pay in dollars, so it's best advisable you actually make use of a dollar account to avoid some things. I think that will be shared in my next video. Okay, so, and also before I forget, there was a single error I did while creating mine, so I'm going to be stating it so that you can also be very careful to avoid that, especially when you want to create yours. So, but that will be said at the end of this video. That is why you have to really pay attention to every single details. So without much being said, let's just get right into the video. So first thing first, apparently one of the best bank to use in creating a dollar account, especially when you want to be receiving money from either YouTube or any other social media platform, is the Access Bank. And one of the most important reason why is because it's global. Yeah, so I know GTB is also advisable. You can also open with GTB Bank and also UBA, but according to my research and questions that I've asked, UBA, like, there are some procedures and you cannot withdraw all your money, but doing it directly from the Access Bank, you have a lot of benefit. Don't worry, as we go through the video, I'm going to be stating more. As you all know, I created my domiciliary account from my Access Bank, and it's been a bank that I've been using for a while. So I'm going to be listing out the basic requirements you need in creating a dollar account. So the very first requirement, like as I stated earlier on, is you need to have a bank with them. So once you're done sorting that, if you don't have a bank with them, just go ahead and create an account with them. So after that, the second thing that you'll be needing, or should I say the most important thing that you'll be needing to create a dollar account, without it your account cannot be created, is dollar. Yes, money. Funny enough, you'll be requested to provide $100. That is for Access Bank, but I think for GTB is much lesser. But for Access Bank, you'll be needing to get $100, and this was how I was able to get mine. I went there last week Monday to first of all gather the basic information. Then I was requested to go get $1, and one annoying part is that the bank doesn't even have dollar. That means you have to go outside to get your dollar. So what I did was to go ahead to all these aboki, you know him, like these people that sell dollar in the market. Just I went straight to them and I was able to purchase $100, and that cost me 167,000. Yes, because I bought dollar at the rate, I can't really remember, but I'm going to be dropping it on the screen. But I remember that that was the exact money my husband transferred to them. And this is the video here. This was the day I actually went to buy my dollar, last week Tuesday. So that is the first requirement you need in order for you to open a domiciliary account with the Access Bank. So after that, the next requirement is a utility bill, and in my own case, I made use of my NEPA bill. So you have to make sure that it's current bill, and also you have to make sure it has the same address, yes, within your locality. Yeah. So that's that for NEPA bill. The next thing you'll be needing is your ID card. It's very important. You need to present your ID card. Do not forget, make sure you're jotting down every single thing that I'm sharing with you. After your ID card, of course, you need your bank BVN. You need the bank BVN. I just jotted mine here and I presented it to them. So after that, the next thing you'll be needing is your passport, your passport photograph. Yeah, for those of us that don't know passport, this is what it looks like. I actually took mine that day. It's looking so ugly, I know, thank you. Okay, but that is my passport. I actually took this picture the day I went to buy my dollar. It sounds strange. Imagine buying dollar that amount. So that is that for your passport. Then after that, what else do you need? What else do you need? Yeah, I think that is the basic requirement. Let me go again. You need $1. You need utility bill. In my own case, I made use of NEPA bill. You need your bank BVN. You need your national ID card. You need your passport photograph. Yeah, so that is what you need to create a dollar account. Now, this is the main deal. So after you are able to submit all these things, you will go to the bank. Oh, you can do it online. You go to the bank because you'll be requested to fill a particular form that requires your basic information, which is like your phone number, your next of kings, your mom's name or your father's name, whatever. Yes, you'll be requested to fill that. So that is all what you need to create a dollar account. Now, going back to the mistake I said I made earlier on, was when going to create a dollar account in Nigeria here with Access Bank, please and please make sure you get the number of your creator, or how do I even put it, the number of the person that wants to open the account for you. Try as much as possible to get the phone number. That is if you won't be needing your account urgently, because I really need mine so urgently, because while recording this video my account is still pending. Why? Is because the person creating my account for me has been away from the bank for like 2 days. I went there on Thursday and I went there on Friday, but she didn't show up, and I really need my domiciliary account so that I can be able to forward it to YouTube and process my payments with other remaining information like taxes and the rest of them. So that is why you have to make sure that you get the phone number of the person creating your account for you. Is very important. Okay, so talking about the reason why you need to make use of Access Bank when coming to getting a domiciliary account is, aside from it being global, like as of last year Access Bank made a lot of adjustments in their banking procedure, especially when it comes to the dollar system, which means you can actually, you need $100 to create the account, and after creating the account, you can as well withdraw your money. That is, you can withdraw your money to as low as leaving only maybe $1 in the account. And before I forget, most important notice, once you create that your account with $100, Access Bank is going to remove 5 cents or up to $1. Yeah, they're going to remove it. So had it been I have my account here ready, I would have been able to give you guys the information straight, but as at the time filming this video is not yet ready, and hopefully today is Sunday, so tomorrow I should go get it. So I don't know if you guys have been needing a video on the final thing. I will still bring it up to you guys. I got you guys always. So back to what I was saying, Access Bank is actually very good. You get to withdraw all your money, because I was watching a video of a YouTuber not quite long, and I also did my research. Creating a domiciliary account with UBA and some other banks, you might not be able to withdraw your money fully. Like, you have to be leaving some amount of money in the domiciliary account, but for Access you can withdraw the money. So if you have any question, like you're having any difficulty in creating a domiciliary account, do well to go down to the comment section and drop it, and of course I will be able to put you through. And also, if you got and also if you guys want me to film a video on this whole AdSense creation and all other procedures, you can as well drop it. And I can't wait to finally let you guys know that I am done with this whole setting of YouTube payments, including the taxes, because I'm recently hearing that I need to go to FIRS to get my tax, that is TIN, to finalize the procedure. So guys, the journey is worth it. Yeah, because one good thing I love about YouTube is your money is intact. Nobody is removing it. It's waiting for you, like it's patiently waiting for you to get every single thing ready and come and cash out. And I cannot really wait. So if you watch to this extent, please do well to like the video, comment, drop me a comment. What is your think? What do you think about this whole thing? And lastly, do not forget to share this video in order for you to get to a lot of new YouTubers, both the ones that are aspiring to get monetized and the ones that are monetized and don't know how to create a domiciliary account. And bye bye, and see you in my next video.